Regarding your tankless water heater, DIY might seem tempting, but it's not always the best choice. Here's why tackling it yourself could lead to trouble. Firstly, the complexity of the task. Tankless water heaters require specialized knowledge and attention to detail. Secondly, safety concerns. Gas lines and electrical wiring are best left to trained professionals. Lastly, warranty implications and long-term costs. DIY may void warranties, leaving you vulnerable to future expenses. Protect your investment with expert help. Contact Gold Star Plumbing and Drain at 480-300-4007 for professional water heater repair in Gilbert, Arizona and nearby areas.